My son is planning to go abroad for his higher education in management. Where should I go to get the loan for to fund his studies?
So there can be multifarious ways in which you can get an education loan. First, I think uh, the best education, the cheapest and most cost effective education loan is a regular education loan from the public sector banks. And if he is going abroad for management education and going abroad to an university that is reasonably well recognized, then he should be able to get an education loan from a public sector bank here. Typically, for going abroad, the maximum loan amount that they would give is about 15 lakhs to 20 lakhs, subject to your putting in a margin. Now, they will require a collateral security if the loan amount exceeds 4 lakhs. So, I think you would have to have a collateral security. If for any reason this education loan from public sector banks is not working out, then you could look at a loan against some existing property that you might have. Even if you have a property on which you already have a home loan, but the value of the property is appreciated tremendously, there is a possibility that the same bank that gave you the home loan will give you an additional lap to cover the education loan. That's quite possible. Or there might be another bank that will not only take over the home loan but give you the additional education loan as well. So that is another possibility that you can consider. You can of course raise an education loan on against securities such as jewelry or life insurance policies with high surrender values, mutual fund units, debentures, bonds, equity shares, gold funds, etc.